Crafty friends, welcome to a design team project for two design teams. One for ASC Supplies on Etsy, and the other is Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, where I am guest designing. So this particular stamp is a Whimsy fairy stamp, and I got this from ASC Supplies on Etsy in my design team package. So the stamps are from ASC Supplies on Etsy, and she is adding more stamps and more goodies. So definitely go over there and check her out. So from Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, I used this really pretty flat back trim, and I unfortunately did put it all the way across the card. I hate it when I cover up a lot of the pretty stuff that I wished I didn't cover up. These are some Prima flowers from my stash. And then from Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, I used these little sprays, these little berry sprays. I added the leaves. And Natasha sells a ton of seam binding. I did not get this from her, but she does carry a ton of seam binding, so check that out. This is a Spellbinders die that is retired, so it's not available anymore. And then I used a cupcake wrapper up at the top with beautiful butterflies to match my my little fairy, and she pops up on that pearl trim, and this is card number 1. So card number 2, I used the same Spellbinders die, and you can see I have a beautiful cupcake wrapper up at the top, and I used a different little fairy. This stamp again is from ASC Supplies on Etsy. She carries a variety of Whimsy stamps and other stamps. I punched some Martha Stewart butterfly punches, and look at that little heart. That is from Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, and it comes like a trim, so it's all connected. And I just cut that out, and then on this one as well for the center of my butterflies. I used that same trim over there, here and here. Really easy to adhere and really pretty. Again, more pretty lace, which mostly got covered up. And then my flower cluster has these stamens, again from Natasha'ScrapbooKorner. And then I have a seam binding bow with some bling from my stash. Natasha also carries a lot of bling. That's just one from my stash. And some pearls around her. She pops up on that pearl trim, and voila. Card number 2. All right, card number 3 is a round card. Haven't done one of these in a while. And this is, again, that same stamp from ASC Supplies on Etsy. More butterflies with the pretty heart-shaped bling centers. And the flower clusters with the green stamens. She has a variety of colors, a lot of colors. I actually had to order some more because I just love them. They really add that nice touch. The pretty lace, again, this time you can see it better. And more of the heart bling. I covered it up on this side, of course. These leaves are also from Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, and you get them and they come like all connected, and you just cut them apart and use them how you need. Then I added just a little bit of white trim around the edge there, and it pops up on more of those really pretty hearts. I did have this pretty yellow trim and a bling from my stash, and voila, card number 3. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm kind of in card mode right now, so I think I'm going to keep going with more cards. And if you're ever interested, I do sell all my cards on eBay, so I will link that in the description box down below, along with the links to both stores that you can check out. The Zibbit store is a whole lot more embellishments and all kinds of goodies to create with. And then ASC Supplies, you know, paper stamps and all kinds of other goodies. The stores are very different. So do check out both of them. And I hope you'll do some shopping and have some fun. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Happy scrappy day. Bye.